Is your heating and cooling system a dinosaur, or is it simply in need of repair? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Norma from Air Experts, and today we'll be going through 5 signs that your heating and cooling system might need replacing. Number 1, your heating and cooling system is old. If your system is older than 10 years, it might be on its last legs. Most heating and cooling systems last 10 to 15 years, and pushing them past their limit can lead to unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Number 2, high energy bills. Are your energy costs going through the roof? Your old heating and cooling system is likely inefficient and it's costing you a fortune. Getting a new energy efficient system can help you save hundreds each year. Number 3, unreliable service. Does your heating and cooling system struggle to keep up? If constantly adjusting the thermostat isn't doing anything, it might be a sign that your system can't handle the job anymore. Number 4, you are doing constant repairs. If you're constantly calling for repairs each winter and summer, it might be time to stop patching up that old system and invest into something reliable. Number 5, your system struggles to reach the right temperature. If your home never feels quite warm or cool enough, even after maintenance, your heating and cooling system may be too weak or inefficient for your space. If your system checked off 2 or more of these signs, don't wait until your system fails and you're left without AC in the summer or heat in the winter. Look into replacement options today. To learn more about our services or to schedule a free estimate, call Air Experts Heating and Cooling at 919-289-4020 or click the link below to schedule today. Bye!